What's up, guys? It's Wednesday. Welcome to the LATROBE shop. We're filming this one early today because we are going to the other side of Chicago to pick something up that you are not going to want to miss. But for today, you don't get to see it. We'll start here. We'll start with this brand new 7 Series BMW. This is the second or third one we've had in here, and they're pretty awesome. This one's getting a stealth wrap. We're also going to be doing some vinyl to do like a two-tone, almost like a Maybach looking wrap on this. All right, and it's never complete without a C8. I think we have 2 of them this week, actually. Got a white one behind John here. This one's getting a ceramic coating and window tint. They're cleaning up my truck in the bay. We want to make sure that thing's clean for the trip we're about to take. And you guys may remember this C4 Corvette. This one, we did some paint protection film on it, and it's back for a ceramic coating. Aaron's currently touching up a partial front end on a Subaru. Him and Max were working on that one yesterday. To my right is a GMC Denali. This one previously got a full wrap, but there were some issues with the paint from the factory on a couple panels, so it came back for us to finish up those panels. And in front of that's another C8. This one also got a full wrap, a ceramic coating. It's done. We're delivering this with our trailer, so this just trying to find a time to make it out to where we need to go. On the lift is a Honda Civic. This one also got paint protection. You can see we always go for full coverage, so this will get trimmed up. So in the morning after we install, we're always doing little finishing touches on paint protection film. And in the tint bay, Terrell is working on a Toyota 4Runner he just pulled in. This one's getting some tint on the front windows. All right, outside we've got lots of cool cars this week. This is so weird for the middle of January. We are so busy. We just came off our busiest month of booking stuff ever in 11 years. So we've got an M5, I think this is, competition. This one got a radar detector hardwired yesterday. And an Escalade for our good friend George. It's very similar to his last Escalade. We did some paint protection film on this one yesterday. And this Super Duty here, it's a King Ranch, got some paint protection film installed. And over here we've got a Porsche Macan. I think this is a GTS model. It's in chalk color from Porsche, which is a favorite around here. That one's getting a ceramic coating. And we have an M4 competition. This one's getting a full stealth wrap as well as a coating, and we tinted the windows on it, I think, yesterday. So, cool car. It's going to look really mean after a stealth wrap. Apparently, we're going to have a new panini place beside us with smoothies and stuff, so that's exciting. The place has been empty for a little while. Out front, we got 2 very cool cars. One is an AMG C63 Black Series, very rare car. This one's getting a full stealth wrap and a ceramic coating. We previously tinted it, and it's almost done. We just have a couple little things to do on that. And beside it is a Lamborghini Urus. This one's been here for a few weeks now. We're still waiting on some material to show up. So it was previously vinyl on the fender flare and the rocker panels, and there's some pieces of it that needed redone, not because of anything that we did wrong, but something scraped against it. And so we're waiting on material for that. So that's all that's happening in Latrobe. I don't even know if we're going to be able to check in with the other stores because we got to go.